The plant in the image is known as Petrea Volubilis, commonly referred to as Queen's Wreath, Sandpaper Vine, or Purple Wreath. Here is a detailed description of this beautiful plant. Description of Petrea Volubilis, Botanical Classification. Family, Verbenaceae. Genus, Petrea species. Volubilis common names, Queen's Wreath sandpaper. Vine, Purple Wreath Bluebird, vine origin and habitat. Petrea volubilis is native to tropical regions of Central and South America, including Mexico, the Caribbean, and parts of South America. It thrives in warm, humid climates and is commonly found in gardens, parks, and as an ornamental plant in urban settings. Plant characteristics. Type: evergreen vine growth habit, twining, climbing, or sprawling height. Can grow up to 12 meters, 40 feet, in length leaves. Shape: oval to elliptical texture, rough, resembling sandpaper, hence the common name, sandpaper vine. Size: 4–8 inches long. Color: dark green flowers. Inflorescence: long pendulous clusters, racemes. Color: bright purple to blue-violet shape. Star-shaped blooms, primarily in spring and summer, but can bloom sporadically throughout the year in suitable climates. Notable feature: the flowers are tubular with 5 petals, and each cluster can be quite large, sometimes exceeding 12 inches in length. Fruit: small, dry capsules, containing seeds. Growing conditions: light, full sun to partial shade soil. Well-drained, fertile soil, prefers slightly acidic to neutral pH water. Regular watering, but can tolerate short periods of drought once established temperature. Prefers warm climates, sensitive to frost and prolonged cold temperatures. Pruning: can be pruned to maintain shape and control growth, best done after the flowering season. Uses: ornamental, widely cultivated for its stunning floral display, often used to cover trellises, fences, pergolas, and arbors landscaping. Adds a splash of color and vertical interest to gardens and landscapes. Attracting wildlife: the flowers attract pollinators such as butterflies and bees. Propagation: methods: typically propagated through seeds, cuttings, or layering seed propagation. Seeds can be sown in well-drained soil. Germination may take several weeks. Cuttings: semi-hardwood cuttings taken in the growing season can root well with proper care. Care tips: mulching helps retain moisture and maintain soil temperature. Fertilization: benefit from regular feeding with balanced fertilizer during the growing season. Support: requires sturdy support structures due to its vigorous growth habit. Pests and diseases: generally resistant to most pests and diseases, but can occasionally be affected by aphids, spider mites, mealybugs, fungal diseases in overly wet conditions. Petrea volubilis, with its vibrant purple blooms and lush foliage, makes a spectacular addition to any garden or landscape, providing year-round interest and a tropical touch. Its relatively easy care and stunning floral display make it a favorite among gardeners and landscapers in suitable climates. Additional details about Petrea volubilis. Distinctive features: flower structure. Each flower in the raceme consists of 2 distinct parts: the outer petal-like sepals, which are persistent and remain attractive even after the central corolla falls off. This gives the plant an extended period of visual appeal. Leaf surface. The rough texture of the leaves is particularly noteworthy, as it feels almost like sandpaper, which is a unique characteristic not common among most ornamental vines. Cultural significance. Symbolism. In some cultures, the Queen's Wreath is a symbol of beauty and grace due to its elegant and cascading flower clusters. Historical usage. It has been used in traditional landscapes and gardens for centuries in its native regions due to its hardy nature and attractive appearance. Botanical relationships. Related species. Petrea is a small genus with a few species, among which Petrea volubilis is the most widely cultivated and known for its ornamental value. Hybridization. There are efforts in horticulture to create hybrids with varying flower colors and improved hardiness, expanding the range of climates where the plant can be grown. Ecological impact. Biodiversity. The plant supports a range of pollinators, contributing to the local ecosystem's health and biodiversity. It is particularly attractive to various species of butterflies. Erosion control. Its robust root system can help stabilize soil, making it useful in erosion control on slopes and embankments. Cultivation practices. Training and support. For optimal growth, Petrea volubilis should be trained onto structures like trellises, pergolas, or fences early in its development. This ensures a more controlled and aesthetically pleasing growth pattern.